Hey guys, Huskermania here, and I was just wanting to say something about, something glitched again. So if you, you can search up Huskermania, and if you find me, great. But if you don't, search up JT Klein because that might work also. Because something glitched on my iPod. It says my thing is JT Klein, and then on my computer it says it's Huskermania, so it's kind of glitchy. But I also wanted to show you something. It's a science experiment. Sadly, I don't. My parents won't let me. They will, but I don't want to use up all the pepper. So what you do is, okay, so now you just got to use your imagination. So what you want to do, imagine that right there, that's the plate. And then you want to take a little bit of water and dump it so it's barely full. Like, it's barely touching so that you can't touch the bottom of the plate without getting your fingers wet. And then what you want to do is you want to take some pepper and you want to dump a whole bunch around and where the water is. You want to get a lot on it, and then you want to take some soap and you want to put it on the tip of your finger. Then you want to touch the middle of where all the pepper and water is, and then it should slowly, the water should expand out. So, and if it doesn't work, just leave in the comments and I'll try and figure something out. Okay guys, so this is Huskermania here. Adios.